Hi everyone, welcome back to day 10 of the 30 days Power Query Editor Challenge. And today we will be talking about a very common problem in data analysis, which is duplicate record. So if you don't remove duplicates, sometimes your report could show the wrong total or average. So we need to fix that. So before we get into Power Query Editor, let me show you something. Have you subscribed to my channel? Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of this challenge or any videos that will be uploading important will be posting in this channel. Kindly look click the notification button. Now if you haven't subscribed, look for Justina Raphael-Ojo in or the YouTube channel or everything data analyst and click on subscribe button. Also click the notification button. Make sure you share with your audience. So now let's get started. Let's fix duplicating Power Query Editor. Why do we have to remove duplicate? Let's talk about that. Duplicate can sneak into your data set when compiling file, when you are importing file, or when you are then receiving data, when you are receiving message data. So if you don't remove these duplicates now, it can affect your record, it can affect your report, your maybe your total or your any analysis you are doing, it can affect it. So let's look at this data now. You can see that we're having duplicates.